repent my sins. Let your blood wash me clean, for I'm